Take a ride in the 2021 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.